How to deposit check in TD Bank online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can deposit check in TD Bank online. For this, you want to download and install the TD Bank application on your device. Head over to Play Store or App Store. Then on the search bar, you want to search for TD Bank. Now, you want to download and install the TD Bank application on your device. Once it has been downloaded, make sure to log into your account. After you have been logged into your account, you want to select the Deposit Check button at the top of your screen. Now, if you have not registered yet, you want to tap on the Register button at the bottom of your screen. Scroll to read the TD Mobile Deposit Terms and Conditions and select the Accept button at the bottom of your screen. After that process is completed, you want to select Deposit Check near the top of your screen. Remember that you can only deposit checks from Canadian financial institutions. Now, from the To Account drop-down, select the account you will use to deposit the check. After that, in the amount field, enter the dollar amount written on the check. Use the optional memo field below to add a personal message. The next step is to capture check images. In the Capture Check section, select the front button to take a picture of the front of your check. Position the front of your check inside the white border of the screen and hold your device still. The app will automatically take a photo for you when the check is clear and positioned correctly. Write the following three things in pen on the back of your check: your signature, the words "for deposit only," your account number. Now select the back button and take a photo of the back of the check. After that has been completed, you want to review your photos and deposit information. When you're ready, select the Finish Deposit button at the bottom of your screen. You will receive a confirmation number for your records. From here, you can go to the TD app home screen, deposit another check, or view your account. You can view every mobile check deposited in the last 30 days. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.